This is in Sri Lanka, one of the most beautiful islands in the world that you need to see.
Welcome to Sri Lanka.